Whoa. That doesn't look good. That's definitely a problem. It's a bent Bowden. I don't know if I can get by. I can't even get by it. Alright, let's mark it as something that needs to be fixed. Let me pause this. Alright, so we got that located 16 inches deep under the pavers here in front of the garage door. So you're going to need to remove some pavers, dig that up, take that bulge out of there, or a kink, or whatever you want to call it, but that's going to definitely cause problems. And it's outside, so what a deal that is. I was thinking it's going to be under the garage floor. Alright, let's go down the line towards the street, take a look at that, see if there's anything else going on here. Okay, everything else looks good. So get that bulge fixed and give us a call. We'll come back and look at the rest of the pipe.